Welcome to the How To Hub, a vibrant YouTube channel dedicated to the art of DIY and creative projects. Here, we delve into a wide range of do-it-yourself activities, from cozy home decor and lush garden makeovers, to innovative tech hacks and practical everyday solutions. Our channel is designed to inspire both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts alike with easy-to-follow tutorials and tips. Join our growing community of creative minds. Share your own projects, exchange ideas, and get inspired by a network of fellow creators. Each video is crafted to not only guide you through the process, but also to spark your imagination and encourage you to try new things. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your home, find a new hobby, or just enjoy the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands, the How To Hub is your ultimate resource. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Embark on your DIY journey with us and transform the ordinary into extraordinary.